So for Module 2, we're looking at the marketing process in restaurants and hotel revenue management. And you're going to see this a lot with the layout of this course. It's very straightforward into what the expectations are for you on a week-to-week basis or on a module-to-module basis, however you want to look at it. So again, because the marketing process is part of the marketing outline that doesn't have a book, make sure that you review that and listen to the summaries, and then make sure that you've read Hotel Revenue Management before you look at the summaries and PowerPoints for Hotel Revenue Management. Again, at this point, you're on Module 2. As I said before, the STAR Report module has been open since day one. And don't lose sight of going through that process for your assignment, because it's something that you need to look at. And it's important. I don't want you to sit here and think, oh, yeah, it's just something that you're making us do. Like, to be able to analyze the information that you see on the STAR Report is invaluable. And we know that a lot of our industry leaders look at this information. And they're always impressed that our students understand that. So, just continue on and ask, and let me know if you have any questions.